Today I'm gonna talk about Google Ads automation. I have been managing Google Ads accounts for more than 10 years and I always get benefits of automation. But why do PPC marketers like me need automation in Google Ads? First need for automation is overload of manual tasks. More than 50% of Google Ads account management is manual operation. The second one is complicated data analysis. Since the number of metrics and channels related with Google Ads are increasing, so does the size of data, which makes data analysis complicated and hard to analyze. The third one is KPI monitoring. To run the target, a marketer needs to track KPIs and want to see all channels in a single dashboard, which helps to track KPIs super easy. What are the solutions for these problems? The first and mostly used solution for these problems are manual operations. It is the oldest and most trusted way of managing accounts. Some marketers choose managing Google Ads accounts manually, in a word, where Google pushes to make everything automated and sometimes even pushes to make changes on behalf of marketers. What I believe in automation is if it helps you to automate repetitive tasks, create alerts or reports for you, and most importantly, helps you to control your account, you can use it. Your account is still in control and you are in charge. All you need to do is just focus on strategy. So today I will focus on automation. So what can you do with automation? You can automate reports, you can create assets and campaigns, you can manage ads based on your criteria you define, and you can run tests or edit budget. Of course, we are not limited to these solutions. These are just the common way of using automation. And benefits of automations are you will have more time on strategy, you will have less control, you will have less errors in your account, you will save cost and improve your account performance, and your productivity and scalability will increase. So in the end you will be happy. The first solution for automation is Google Ads automated rules. You can find it in the Google Ads interface. No coding required for this, and it has some predefined rules and you can use it, but it's limited. And common ways to use automated rules are you can schedule ads, you can edit ads or keywords, you can edit bids or schedule bids, or you can control your budget and cost. But be aware to use rules with enough data and don't forget to preview rules before saving it. And the second one is Google Ads script. If you have a coding knowledge, scripts are best way to use automations. It's much more scalable and customizable than automated rules. And common ways to use Google Ads scripts are reporting, keyword management, bid management, and budget control and cost control. And of course, we are not limited to this. These are just common ways of using Google Ads script. And there are many ready to build Ads script online. You can find it in the comment section. And the third solution is some third-party tools which are specialized on this technology. These tools are also a good way to manage accounts. They are customizable, they are scalable, and they have some built-in features. There are many tools that you can use in the market, but before using these tools, there are some points to consider. The first one is you need to ask yourself before using it, how customizable are these tools? Sometimes these tools need customization to adapt your business. And the second question you need to ask is how complex are they? Some tools can be complex and need expertise to use it, and it needs time to get used to them. And the third one is the pricing. Some of them charge you based on your spend, and some of them charge you based on the feature you use. So before buying it, you need to consider price options. And the last one is you need to ask which platforms do they support. Sometimes you need more channels to analyze your data. To sum up, you can use automation to control your account and focus more on strategy. You will still be in charge on your account, and you can use automation as a marketing assistant for you. Thank you. Hi, this is Can. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create your workspace and connect with Google accounts. So we need to click create workspace and set a name for that. And then click Google Ads account button. And now I need to add the emails that are related with my Google Ads account that I want to use for Adsbot. So yeah, now it redirects me to a page. We get permission on behalf of you, so don't worry about security. So yeah, we need to allow it. Yeah, now as you can see, I get all the accounts related with this email. So I'm gonna choose the account that I want to use for Adsbot and need to enable that Google Ads account. Like in the first period, we get all related accounts, and yeah, now we enable it. The similar or the same process is also related with Google Search Console, so we need to make it for Google Search Console as well. So again, I need to give necessary permission in order Adsbot to run efficiently. And yeah, and it brings me all Search Console accounts related with that email. So I will choose my domain for this account. Yeah, now we all get connection with Google Ads and Google Search Console. We also connect with Google PageSpeed API, but don't worry, we connect Google PageSpeed API automatically. So yeah, here you go, then you can enjoy Adsbot.